Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from NSIC. Yes, when you will go to the official website of NSIC, dear students, here you can see current vacancies advertisement, or NSIC invites application for the post of assistant manager E0 level in the functional area of technology. Okay, when you will click here, you can see the detailed advertisement, and this advertisement has been published on the 4th December. So let's check it out. Let's see more detail. First of all, what is NSIC? So this is the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, a government of India enterprise. Okay, they are going to recruit on the basis of GET scorecard. Yes, and this is a premier mini Ratna government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Okay, so this is a mini Ratna company. They are going to recruit for the post of assistant manager E0 level for the regular appointment in the IDA pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000 in the functional areas. Okay, so let's check it out stream wise. Here they mention total number of vacancies are 25, in which category wise division is mentioned here for SC, ST, OBC, EWS, unreserved. They mentioned here the category wise division. What is the qualification? First year means first class, sorry. First class means with the 60%. So BE BTech they required with minimum 60% marks with a 5% relaxation in marks to SC, ST or PWBD. In civil, mechanical, chemical, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, okay, computer science and engineering, information technology, or combination of thereof from a recognized university. So if you are having a BE Tech in all of these or any one of them, okay, then you are eligible for applying here. With only GET qualified candidates shall apply here. They mention, it's not mentioned clearly ki which year, but they mention here ki latest GET score available, not older than 2 years. Okay, so this recruitment in 2025, so you can see 24 or 23 GET scorecard they can take here, shall be considered here. Okay, not experience is not required here. Upper age limit is 28 years for the general, and age relaxation is there for the others also. Last date of filling the application form will be 27th December 2024. Last date of receipt of the printout of the online filled application which you need to send, okay, is 3rd January 2025. Okay, they mentioned some guidelines also. First of all, selection procedure. So the selection process shall consist of 70% weightage of the GET scorecard and 30% weightage of the personal interview. So directly they will shortlist you on the basis of your GET scorecard, and they will call you for the personal interview. So 70-30 ratio is here. Okay, in order to bring parity with 70% weightage for the written exam as per policy, it shall be obtained by formulating 70% of the GET marks score. Okay, so by the candidate out of the 100 in his or her scorecard. Further, the GATE exam should be in the same engineering stream for which the candidate is applied. So if you are applying for the mechanical stream, then you should have the GET scorecard of mechanical stream only. Okay, GET score shall not be older than the 2 years from the date of publication of this advertisement. Okay, the candidate will be shortlisted for the interview in the ratio of at least 1:5 or in the ratio of maximum 1:7. Okay, the decision of, okay. The selected candidates will be liable to work or posted in any of NSIC offices or technical centers all over India. Now, what about the compensation and packages? So compensation package include basic pay, industrial DA, HRA. Okay, all these allowances will include, uh, and CTC at minimum of basic pay rules. Okay, in the IDA pay scale of 30,000 to 1 lakh 20,000. So your CTC will be 9.52 lakh per annum plus PRP based on the posting in the X class cities. HRA shall be variable in case of the posting in Y and Z cities. Okay. Okay. How to apply? Yeah, this is the official website. You can go through, which I show you, www.nic.co.in. Here you can see the link for online application is already active. Okay, from the 7th December it's already active. So today's 8th, you can apply here. All right. So they mention stage also, stage 1 and 2. You need to write down these things. You need to fill up the form. Okay, and then you can apply here. So application form. You need to fill that. They mention the details also how you need to fill the form. Okay. Okay. So the general instructions mentioned, you can check it out, dear students, here. Now application fees. Sorry. Application fees of rupees 1500 per application has to be paid through NEFT as per the details below. You need to pay this one. Okay. However, no application fees for the SC, ST, PWBD or women candidates and departmental candidates. The application fees is non-refundable and no other mode of payment. So only you need to do NEFT. No other payment of mode is applicable here. Applications without application fees will be straight away rejected. They clearly mention here. Okay. And the printout of the online filled application. First you need to fill the form, online application form, submit it, and then you need to send it to this address they mention here, this address, by the 3rd January 2025. Okay. So I think, yeah, here they mention some general instructions, also general information and instructions. Please check it out, these details here about the upper age limit, all the things they mention here. Okay. So you can check these details. And before what is the last date? I'm just talking about again. The last date is again 27th December. So before 27th December you can fill the form, pay the application fees, and before 3rd January you need to submit the online application form. Okay, as in courier also you need to send them, print out. All right, guys. So surely this information will help you, because this is direct recruitment, dear students, on the basis of GATE scorecard for all those engineering streams which I told you, which I mentioned, which is mentioned here. So it will be a good opportunity for all the students who already cleared the GATE scorecard in the 23 or in the 24. All right. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.